Hello, and welcome to ONCA 101, When and Where Should Ontario Nonprofits Have Member Meetings? My name is Benjamin Miller, and I'm a lawyer who serves nonprofits and charities, and I'm of counsel with B.I.G Charity Law Group. In this video, I'll walk you through some of the rules under the Ontario Not-for-Profit Corporations Act for when and where you should be having member meetings. So firstly, I'll just note that the following presentation is general legal information, not legal advice, tailored to your specific situation. If you're looking for advice, I suggest you speak with a competent legal advisor. My contact information is at the end of this presentation, and you can also go to charitylawgroup.ca. So the first question, when should member meetings happen? Well, the answer is annual member meetings, also known as annual general meetings or AGMs, should happen within 18 months of the creation of the nonprofit, and then after that, within 15 months after the last AGM. So although they're called AGM, it's actually you can stretch it out to a 15-month interval. Now, special members meeting, these are meetings that don't have to happen. The AGM has to happen at least once every 15 months. But special meetings are meetings that are called for a specific purpose. Let's say you want to pass some bylaws very quickly, or you have a major change you want to make, or you're removing a director, or what have you. And the board can call these at any time. They don't have to, but they can. And members can demand that the board call one as long as those members represent at least 10% of the vote. Now, under ONCA, your bylaws can specify a lower number. So your bylaws could say members representing 2% of the vote can demand that a special members meeting happens, and then the board is required to call it within a certain amount of time. Now, where should member meetings happen? If your bylaws say a specific place, then that is the place the members' meeting should happen. And your bylaws can say a place that's either inside of Ontario or outside of Ontario, and it has to happen whether or not it's inside or outside of Ontario. If your bylaws don't say a specific place that the members' meeting should happen, then it has to be held within Ontario at a place specified by your directors. So at a board meeting you would pass a resolution. Now, when it comes to online meetings, there are two things to consider. So one, a meeting that's generally in person, but some people participate online, that's perfectly fine, unless your bylaws say otherwise. If you want to prohibit it in your bylaws, you can. Two, if you want to have the meeting entirely virtually, as has been happening over COVID quite commonly, then you can, but your bylaws have to specifically allow it. So that's a general overview of when and where your members' meetings should be happening. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at benjamin.miller@charitylawgroup.ca, or just visit charitylawgroup.ca, and I'm sure someone from the team would be happy to take your question. Thanks so much for listening.